Good afternoon, traders. Here's a quick recap of today's trading. It is Friday, about 3 p.m. now. Market is getting close to end for the week. Fridays are generally tough days to trade, at least for me. They're very tricky, especially when we have contract expirations for futures. So let's quickly go over our trades for today. Here's a quick recap of our P&L. So I've highlighted the column here. All together, we have made $6,754 in profit. That's how much we pulled from the market using 13 accounts. Altogether we have 20 accounts. We have 13 accounts that we traded today. That's kind of the maximum I've traded in the recent past. We pretty much traded them individually, as always. We have passed 2 accounts, one with Take Profit Trader and another one with Topstep. The Topstep is a 150K account and the Take Profit Trader is a 25K account. So for the Topstep we had to make $9,000. We overshot that by almost $1,000. So we made 10 grand instead of 9. Can't hurt, right? Well, unless there's a consistency rule, so we'll see about that. And we also went over the limit for a Take Profit Trader, I think by a couple of $100. We made $680. That's kind of cutting it close. I just hate to take losing trades afterwards. You know, I probably could have taken a few losses just to make that number a little bit smaller, but I thought it would be unfair for my P&L. I care about this spreadsheet more than I care about the actual accounts, because you know, this is what counts, the pulling money from the market. All right, that's kind of my trade here. So if we have to trade an extra day in those accounts, so be it. I'll make the few extra $100. Given the trend, we should be just fine. All right, we also took small trades across Apex accounts, funded and non-funded accounts. Okay, here we have my funded futures. We started with this account. When the market, well, this is prior to the market open. I figured I wanted to see how I'm reading the market. So I went here at the bottom of this bull flag for a quick scalp. Should have just left it. Look at this. Just left it. Just could have just went all the way up there. But then I could have lost it. Anywho, we took our $55 win here. Then the market opened. I was looking at this bull flag and I was just targeting going long at the bottom of it whenever it dipped. So I would go pick it up lower till we caught the bottom here. I think actually normally I would take $55 here. I was like, okay, well, we're entering our area of support from here, and this is the area of support, right? So like this, and so I went long here. I think I took more than let's say 38 up to, you know, almost 10 points, almost $200 trade right here, and we called it. We stopped it for this account. Then we switched to another account, and so we made $380 on that account. Then we continued trading this account, caught a similar bottom here a couple of times. Then we did a couple of trades here at the bottom of these bull flags. Here we traded this bull flag. The price came into this area of support that we drew out. We entered one mini, and then we helped it with a second mini and got out for a nice win of $485 altogether. $680 in wins. So we passed this account, or might have gone a little bit over. We may need to trade another day, but we went over that 26,500 threshold. We went all the way up to 26,740. So we overshot the goal by $240. So this is what we did here. We again traded the bottom of these flags. In these areas of support that we identified. There's another area of support we identified. We went long. Same thing here. Area of support right here that was drawn out. We went long here. Winner. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. And then we went long on other accounts here. Same thing here. And pretty much throughout the day, we just traded these bottom channels for all these wins. $310 here, $400 in wins here. All right, and We also took some wins here. Okay, bottom of this. Here I think we try to trade the gap, right? So filling the gap is realistic, but buying at the gap is not a good idea. You see, next time, let's just stick to our own strategy. Let's not use those gaps as a way to trade. Not a great idea. I was kind of getting a little worried over here. I think I ended up picking up 3 minis. This was an excellent trade. This was an excellent trade. This at this gap fill was a terrible trade. So let's not do that again, okay? That's the lesson learned from today. But we did come up on top, $510. So pretty happy here. Last, let's move to Quant Tower and go over the trades there. So with Quant Tower, we traded our Apex accounts. We made $1,149 across 4 accounts that we traded. These two, $299 and $66 were on funded accounts, and the $260 was also on the funded account. The only eval here is the $524 win. Okay, everything else was on the funded accounts. Okay, we traded these again using our setups. So okay, same story here. So we went long at our support. We won here. So we went long. We won here. Then we went long again, and it got stuck. So we had to manage this trade. So we added here. We added here at the bottom of this channel, right? We started forming this channel, and at the bottom of this channel we managed this by getting out here. Then we added some more. Got out, added, got out, added, got out, got out, got out, got out, and that's the end of that. $524. If we had stayed, we could have made thousands of dollars, but you know, happy to get out here with a profit. Next account is a 23. This is the funded account that we traded. This one we traded a little bit more with a little bit more patience. So we entered here, got out, entered, got out, entered, got out. All right, so we did well here. And last but not least, I just want to quickly go over, well, let's see the 22 account. This is also a funded account. We only traded it once. Could have been a one and done deal for today. Look at this. If I caught the bottom here, could have just, I got out right here for a $66 win. If I just held it, look at this run. Lastly, we have the 25 account, number 25. And this is where I think we caught the reversal sequence. So we had the one pullback, second pullback. We entered long here, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 minis out of here, and then the 5th one. This concludes my review. Again, this is Friday. It's tricky. You gotta take it easy on Fridays. They can go either way very easily. You can be up and then all of a sudden find yourself digging out of a hole. So we traded for a couple hours, took our wins, made what, $7,000 or more. Past couple accounts. What else can we possibly ask for? This was great. Again, look forward to seeing you next week. We'll be streaming live trading Monday through Friday. Be sure to check out the trading video of the live stream from this morning here at the end of this video. You'll see a link, so please click on that and check out these trades in live stream. All right. Otherwise, have a great weekend. We survived. It's Friday. Yay! Go out, enjoy your weekend. Have a great day, traders. Bye-bye.